to see with the sun. So we're gonna take all the stock off and put that on. So I'll let you guys hear it when we get done. See how much more open it is.
2021 beautiful blue Challenger 392 Scat Pack, 6.4 liter. We got something real nice done to this one. Let me show you guys. So it's got the factory converter there and there. Then we put a bolt-on system starting from right here, Corsa cap back with an X pipe. So there it is. And then it continues. And there's the Corsa mufflers, Corsa Xtreme there and there. And it's finished off nicely with quad tips, black chrome, really clean, really nice, as you guys can see. And they came all the way from Memphis, so we really appreciate them coming down. And we appreciate the support, guys. And everybody's welcome to come down. We are located in Nashville, Tennessee, 3560 Dickerson Pike. So just holler at us whenever you guys are ready. If you need anything, give us a call. There's our number. And there's the full system that we took off right there, all in pieces. All right. Stay tuned. All right, guys, 2023, all the way from Virginia, West Virginia. 2023 Challenger 392 Scat Pack. It's still shiny. It's still new. Look at this thing. It's beautiful. So he drove all the way down from West Virginia. He wanted it as loud as possible. So we told him we'll hook him up. Anyways, so it's got factory converters there and there. Then he said, cut it all off, run it in 2 1/4, make it as loud as possible, piss off my neighbors. I said, we got you. So we're about to piss off the neighbors. So we took the X pipe, we took the whole complete system off and ran true duals, straight pipe, 2 1/4, all the way back on each side. Then the valves, we just zip tied them away because he's going to order a Z Automotive exhaust valve simulators. We'll have a link in the description. They plug in right into where these are supposed to. But for right now, we just zip tied them away on each side, as you guys can see there and there, just so the car thinks that it's still got them on there. And then the 2 1/4 continues out the back. Then we ran 2 1/2 to fit the 3-inch tips, NETAMI tips to complete the look. There and there. Came out really clean, really nice. Look at that. Fits so much better. I always love the quad tips better than the Challenger design tips. They look so much cleaner. But there's the original exhaust system. So there's the 2 mufflers, there's the 2 tips, there's the mid, the valves were right there in the middle, and the X pipe. So we took that whole system off, out with the old and with the new. So stay tuned, guys. We're about to let you hear it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and hit that subscribe. All right, guys, 2021 Scat Pack with a full catback Corsa system with valve delete. Corsa Xtreme. Much better. Look at the smile he put on his face. Do that smile again. Look at that, excited. Yeah, that's how it's supposed to sound. I don't know why they don't do that. Wow. Corsa, you never disappoint. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. Right at 120. That's crazy. Very nice. Put you guys a link in the description for it too. Another fine job done at Exhaust Addicts. Hope you guys like it. And we appreciate the support always. Let you guys hear on the inside. Here we go, guys. Go ahead. Look at his face. Just think. Is that loud enough? Yeah. Revving higher? The door is open. Close the door. Guys, get it? It's a 6. My watch is screaming. Environment. There we go. So something about these Challengers, guys, if the parking brake is down, it won't let you rev over 2,000 RPM. But if you take the parking brake off, especially the stick shift, it lets you rev it as high as you need. Look at the sound decibels on this, guys. Go ahead. 123. Oh my God. Again. Hey man, it's scaring you. What are you doing?
I wasn't expecting it to be that loud.
You wanted it loud.
I wanted it loud, yes.
So you weren't expecting it that loud.
No.
And now that you got it that loud,
It's different on video than it is on...
in person, yeah.
Yeah.
Because 123 is like almost like a jet.
Yeah.
You hear it, it shakes. Imagine
It
standing.
shakes you.
Now you know why I tell you I can barely hear anymore.
Yeah.
Guys, if you want to send me stuff, send me your earplugs. Something that will work. It sounds so good though. It's so perfect that it's a 6-speed manual. I love that. Let me let you guys hear on the inside. Here we go. Memphis representing, guys. Let's see. Not bad. I think you could have done a better burnout, but it's okay. He tried. And you can still hear it. It's so loud. And it's crazy. Here we go, guys. Hopefully he'll give us a nice send-off. 6-speed manual, only got 3,000 miles on it. Wow, it's so loud. It's perfect. Enjoy, guys.